In this video, I'm going to show you how to preview text in Mailchimp. So first up, let's create our email. Let's head on to email and template. Let's get started, and we will choose a template from Mailchimp and then click on any of the template that you want. I'll choose minimal and I will name it preview. Okay, so over here we have our email and we have the view this email in your browser. We have the add button text. We have our links. We have our social. So in order to view that, press on preview over in the top. Then let's wait for it, and then there you have it. This is how it looks like in desktop. And if you click on mobile, you will see how it looks like in a mobile phone. And if you click on inbox, it will show you how it looks like in the inbox of your email. And that's about it. That's how to preview text in Mailchimp. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.